Hey, I'm Sharon. I'm here in the Prima booth with Scrapbook.com, and I want to show you a really fun technique using Finiver's new paste. So what I am using are Finiver stencils. They're beautiful. I have Prima watercolor paper, and I just put black gesso on the bottom and left the top just white. You can also put white gesso if you want. I'm going to set this down, place my stencil on top, and then we're going to create magic with her new paste. So this is Golden Nugget. She has two new pastes. The inside doesn't look so magical, but just wait, you will see. So we're just going to take a bit out and start spreading it over. We get good coverage. You can already see some of the glimmer popping out. So the Golden Nugget has glimmer in it, but it also has like sandy pieces. You can hear that against the stencil. You're gonna get really nice texture with this. And just think about adding this to your projects. You don't have to put it over a stencil. You could easily brush it on to a piece just to give it that little extra magical sparkle and build up some layering. And that's really, mixed media is really just about layering different elements to create, you know, your own unique piece. All right, so we have it all spread on there. We're gonna lift it up. And honestly, look at that. You're gonna get a totally different result on the white versus the black. And right now it's opaque, but wait till it dries. When it dries, this is what's gonna happen. You're gonna get this gorgeous golden, black, and brown effect. It has enough sparkle to not be too gaudy, just be classy, and a lot of texture. It's raised up, and that stencil design is stunning. So this is one of Finiver's brand new pastes. It's available at Scrapbook.com, and it is called Golden Nugget.
Thanks for watching this video that was filmed in Phoenix, Arizona at AFCI's 2019 Creativation event. If you liked this video and want to see more from Scrapbook.com, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a message. Happiness is a life handmade.